Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance. You know me as the van guy, and boy do I have some stuff for you today. Fresh trade 2018 Pleasureway Plateau XL TD. XL, it's a wide body. TD for twin dinette in the back. Let's pop in and take a look. This unit has about 2,000 miles on it. They traded up to a larger motorhome. This one's 22 feet 6 inches. Very maneuverable, of course, Mercedes chassis, 6-cylinder, probably close to 20 miles per gallon. Very efficient. As you can see, you got twin beds here in the back, or you can take the boards down here, fill this in, slide all these together, and you got a king-size bed, a monster bed. You have a control panel here in the back as well as one up front, so that way if you want to come over here and take a look, it's got all your tank capacities, all your controls back in here. For your generator, auto start, it's a very nice feature. You can do it with temperature or low voltage. Great storage up on top. Positive latches all the way around. Nice corner shelves. And then USB ports on both sides, electrical outlets for both. We do have drawers underneath. Here's all your owner's packet information. Nice big deep drawers. 110 12 volt breakers. This is your closet. Yeah, 22 feet 6 inches now. Plenty of hanging space. There's a table leg in there. Here's where all your plug-ins and a reset on the microwave. Large refrigerator, just under 5 cubic feet. Convection microwave down below. GFI on 110. Nice deep drawer, all high-grade plywood. Recessed 2-burner. It's got the little lighter right there. Corian countertops. It's got a nice sink. Storage down below. Yep, that's where the plumbing is, but they've got all those spaces utilized. Bathroom. This is a very nice, spacious bathroom. Glass corner shower, nice counter space, plenty of storage up on top. And hey, get this, guys, there's 2 of them, so you might get to use part of one. You get your water pump controls, panel lights in here, so you don't have to go back outside to operate those. Nice skylight, plenty of headroom. Plenty of room in here in the bathroom. It's a very nice unit. For a small unit, it's a dry bath. Nav system, backup camera, Bluetooth, power windows, power locks. Steering wheel is tilt and telescoping. Don't forget this big cargo net up here for your storage to help keep your stuff in. And I also want to point out there's a table here for the passenger seat and a little flip-up table right here for the driver's side. That way you have workstations on both sides with electrical outlets and USB ports. Let's take a spin on the outside. Here's your other panel I mentioned. Turn all the system off. Does have solar up on top. It's got your electric awning up above, electrical outlet right here. Nice storage space. Unlike a regular Mercedes Sprinter van, this is a cutaway and you do have storage. Again, nice storage space, little net here to help keep stuff in. Slam latches on all the doors, cargo doors. Okay, who in the crowd knows towing capacity on a Mercedes-Benz? Yep, you're right. It's 5,000 pounds. Sewer hose in here. You got your wiring, so you're all set up. Backup cameras up here. You can alter it for a different view if you so desire. Truma heating system. Very efficient. There's your power cord. We all know about outdoor showers. Here's where your water fill is. Here's your utility center. 110 cord goes in here. Propane turns on and off. Cable TV and city water. Here's your generator. It's a 2,500 watt propane generator, so you don't have to worry about carbon monoxide. And they're the least maintenance generator you can get. None of the seals dry out with a propane unit. It's a very nice feature. Intake and exhaust on your furnace, and vent for your refrigerator, and of course the service entrance. Dump station. Very easy to get to. It's right here. Black and gray handle. And on Mercedes, you open up the driver's door. And we all know that the fuel's located behind that, so nobody can mess with it. We've been informed from Pleasureway we're going to receive about one more wide body like this, and then we won't have any more. If you're interested in this one, call me. My number is 541-554-9581. My email's on the screen, or you can go to Facebook, The Van Guy, and see me there. Appreciate your interest. Have a good day.